Many gardeners throughout the spring scarify their grass to remove the moss and thatch from the top layer. This allows the grass to grow better and more effectively throughout the months to come. Many people throw the thatch and moss into the bin, however it has many other uses within the garden. Many birds use moss and thatch as nesting material, so we're going to put them in some hanging baskets so they can take it for their nests. To do this you need 2 hanging baskets, some string, a pair of scissors and your thatch and moss. To begin you take 1 hanging basket and you fill it with thatch and moss. Fill it as much as possible, right to the top. Pack it in. Like so. And then you take the other hanging basket and place it on the top, like so. Then you get your string. You get a piece about that big. Take your scissors and you cut it. And then you begin to tie up your hanging basket going around the outside, like so. Tie it up nice and tight. The shoelace knot works fine. And then you continue to do this all the way around the outside. Once you have gone all the way around the outside of your hanging basket, you can take this and place it upon your bird table, and it'll help local birds, especially small birds such as chaffinches, sparrows and blue tits, to build their nests throughout the spring.